strawberries. Do you like strawberries?
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if this is your first time, you are definitely welcome. So today's video is all about what I feed my 9-month-old baby. He wakes up like twice to eat in the middle of the night and wake up in the morning very hungry, so I feed him with either cereal and formula or tea before taking his bath. So for breakfast today, I need oats, banana, egg to prepare him some oats pancakes. You put them all in the blender and blend, and this is what it will look like after blending. You then put butter or oil in a fry pan. I usually use olive oil or coconut oil, but ran out of it. And then you fry the pancake each side until it turns light brown. To put his food on the high chair tray because it is quite big enough, but I make sure I wash the tray properly before and after each meal. And guys, as you can see, he's really enjoying his meal. He usually sleeps after eating in the morning, but I don't know, this is a different case today. I feel maybe he wasn't full enough, or better still, wanted to play more, so I had to feed him with cereal and formula to put him to sleep so I can get busy with other things in the house. So for lunch, I am preparing mashed potatoes and fish. You cut the potatoes into tiny pieces and you pour in the pan and boil. You're allowed to boil for like 15 to 20 minutes until it gets really soft. Then you boil the fish separately. It is advisable to get the mackerel fish because it is healthy and good for kids. So you remove the bones thoroughly from the fish and then pour in the already done potato and mash together. Please note, this is not what I feed him with every day. This is just for today. So a few hours later, boy needs something to snack on. He had biscuits and pear puree. You can check my previous video or the link in my description box on how to prepare fruit puree for your little ones. I prepared jollof rice for dinner, but he decided to eat dinner with his dad, which was poundo yam. So guys, thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Bye.